Say hey, girl. You guys remember her? She was
Yes.
If you go to the last, I keep telling them if y'all go watch the last year vlogs, it would be there. But we're in the city right now. Ooh, look at that. He's like
life goes.
But yes, so guys, we're in the city right now. Look up with Tamara. Hey y'all. So we're in the city. Close to like 14th Street. Well, really like 10th Avenue. What it says now. Maybe we should stop it.
It's right here.
What in the world? Oh, is that it? No.
No, that's a clothing shop.
This is in charge. Woodstock Pizza. Jeffrey. Oh, it's over there. Is that it? Yeah, right.
Oh, it is.
How to go?
Fence. This is like a it's like a pizza.
What's there?
It's like a little high-rise thing. They have like little ice cream shops or food shops.
Oh, is
like
this
a
called
nice
the
area.
High Line?
I think so.
The High Line. Oh, we should go up there after.
But I've definitely been here before. It's nice.
Really?
Yes.
We're going to this place. It's like called ice cream. No. It's called the Pint Shop.
She said
it's
ice cream. I mean, they have ice cream.
Yeah, they have ice cream, but it's called the Pint Shop. And we're going to, it's like a little, it looks like a pop-up. It's not a pop-up shop because it's actually venture around. So we're gonna venture around and just, be cute, take some pictures and stuff. And yeah, it's really hot outside. Like really hot outside, but we're gonna make the best out of it. We're gonna have a cute girls' day, right?
Yes.
But yes, it is. But yeah. Why you guys don't walk in? Oh really?
Yeah, unless I'm just going crazy, but like Wednesday.
But it legit say Wednesday through Monday. That's 6 days a week. No, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Right?
Wednesday through Monday, so Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I feel so dumb. Did they say this all live?
Wow. I do. Say hey, girl. Yes. What's your name? What's your name? What's your Instagram?
Your Facebook. This is Pete Hunty. Yes.
Wow, I feel dumb.
My makeup is lit. I was ready. Matter of fact, wow. Nah, they gonna have to let us in because listen. But I want to take pics.
Me too. Wednesday through Wednesday. I'm probably mistaken it for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
Right.
Like Monday through
weird.
Wednesday.
Who has a Wednesday through? I never heard of that.
Exactly.
Monday? That's weird.
That's crazy.
So they don't Saturdays.
If I'm not mistaken, it was like hi, what's up guys, we're upset, so let me tell you, next snap. Story time. Dang. Yo, so we had the Highline.
Alright, so I just realized that this guy's like in my snap. But I just realized that we didn't tell y'all
What happened?
So alright.
So, okay, so we're supposed to go to this place.
Right.
This little ice cream place.
It's called the Pint Shop.
Pint Shop. Push out on game, okay? So we're supposed to go to this ice cream place, and it's closed. Why is it closed?
Why?
I don't know why it's closed. All right, so
right now.
on the thing, on the door, it says open from Wednesday to Friday.
To Friday.
No, it wasn't Wednesday to Friday. It was like Wednesday to Monday.
Oh yeah,
That
yeah.
includes what?
Monday and Tuesday.
Yeah. So it's open from Wednesday to over it. Okay.
We we came all the way over here for no reason. Like, what? Why would they do that? But you know what? It is our fault because they probably said that on the website.
It probably did. Just we.
I want some like frozen yogurt ice cream or something. The Bookie Down Grind Cafe. South Suburb. You taste that before? What is that?
I mean,
Ice cream?
It's like how can I say it? It's like an icy, but like with ice cream on top of it. Are you recording?
Yeah.
It's good. I only had it from Rita's, so I don't know how they do it.
Sorbet. Lime with mint. Pink cola. Let me see what it looks like. Is it ice cream or is it like icy? Like, it looks like ice. It looks like ice cream, guys. Oh, they got empanadas. I'm gonna get an empanada. Yeah. I don't think that's gonna fool me. No. A little snack. Right. I'm gonna get an empanada. Do you want like regular food?
Like what? Like sit down and eat?
Yeah, like instead of like just buying this and be hungry.
Right.
A couple
It makes
of,
more sense.
Well,
We could
this-
just get like something like.
Do you want? We're trying to figure out what we're gonna do. Like the place is closed or so. I have posted a picture on Instagram, so make sure you go follow me. Follow my Instagram, follow my handles. And
Oh, I should have brought my charger.
I have mine.
Yes.
Do you have a charger on here?
I don't need to charge it now, but I'm saying like eventually I'm gonna need it.
Y'all, it's just like so cute. Like let me
It is.
look.
It's nice and colorful.
Yes, focus. You see that background? Like it's. I guess it's different. Look, a whole photography shoot. Okay. Look. Focus. Yes. Come through. Mad cute. Guys, we ended up coming to Cafeteria. I've heard about this place. We've heard about this place before. Just never came here. So this is what the menu looks like. We're about to see. We already have a bad experience with our server. He's very like rude and standoffish. So he came to the table. First of all, this guy. All right, so we're sitting outside. We're in the city. We're sitting outside. You know, at cafeteria. So this guy comes. You know, he walks by. He's with a lady, right? So he walks by and he's like giving out flyers. So he's giving out the flyer. This says Museum of Sex, y'all. Look at it. Strippers on the flyer. On the back it says "all white party." So we like, okay, let me see what he's giving us. So, you know, he's walking by, and then at the same time, the waiter is coming, you know, on the other side, right? So we looking, and he puts down the glass of water. No, what did he put down? He put down this silverware.
Yeah.
He puts down the silverware or something, so we didn't even see, you know, he didn't introduce himself, say, hey, my name is so-and-so, nothing. What's that? So, you know, the water is tap water, so we asked, oh, can we get some lemon? He was like, oh, I knew that was coming. What? People are so damn rude. But anywho, we're not going to let that ruin us, I would say. I don't know what I want to eat. There is...
You have a drink. I said
I want a drink. Drink with you. You see the peer pressure, y'all? You see the you see the peer pressure?
just one.
Let's look at the menu, y'all. Alright, so they got fresh juice. They got appetizers. They're really known for their macaroni, guys. So I might try it. I don't know if I want to indulge today, but we'll see.
I don't know what I want now. Like,
this looks so good. We got chicken and waffles, and then we got a side of macaroni. They're just known for their mac and cheese. So we're gonna see how it tastes, and we'll let you guys know the verdict. Yeah. Yo, this mac and cheese, y'all, is just so good. We just tore up the plate. Look at it, tore up. Yo, tore it up, okay. Money's worth. Money's worth. OMG.
So cheesy and delicious.
You annoying. Give me some chicken in my teeth. Yo. Mad good, right? Mad good. OD. I need to come here. Hot.
Guys, go with it.
These they have. Can't really see her, you guys. But we're on this line to wait to go to head shop. She will let us in because it is hot as ever out here, like 100 degrees hot. I feel like I'm a face for real. Like my feet are burning, like just burning, legs burning. Just hot, hot. Vlog. Yeah. You want to say hi?
Hi.
What's your name?
My name is Diamond. I work here at the Museum of Ice Cream.
Come and see him, guys.
I'm a model and actor. Follow my handle on Insta.
Okay.
Diamonds, period, law.
Y'all go
Now,
follow me.
are you guys here to eat the ice cream?
Oh, we didn't plan on it.
Wait, you're gonna vlog and not eat the ice cream? Is that a hashtag fake flex? Hashtag they went to the museum and ate the ice cream, no one word, all lowercase hashtag. That's my hashtag. Guys, that is a joke. I don't hit that hashtag, but the company works very hard on the product. Please get some ice cream. We have a free sampling right here in the corner, right?
Okay.
Taste a few. Let me know which one's your favorite, because my favorite is called Churro Churro. It has a cinnamon flavored ice cream and a churro bite added inside.
Hey.
Any questions, feel free to ask me.
Okay. Alright. Do what you do. No, I'll angle it off. That is cute. That is cute. Yes, do it. Oh, with the shoes. like a little swing, super cute. Over here, well, someone is over there, but it has a pit of cherries. And you just go in. It's like it's all the sprinkles like what do you want to do your recommend? Yeah.
So Vanillionaire is really good. It's two different vanillas. Vanillionaire. It's vanilla, two different types of vanillas mixed together with vanilla wafer cookies.
Wow.
Okay. Sprinkle Vanillionaire.
Y'all, that's good.
There you go. It don't have the banana. I have Cherrylicious.
Hey.
No, that's just
You got a nickname?
yeah. Okay, good.
Can we get the red one more?
Yeah.
I don't
It is what it should be. I think that thing fell in my hair. Oh, y'all. We ended up getting Chipotle to eat. Chipotle is like my favorite place to.
It's her life.
Chipotle is my life. Like, do y'all remember that video? There's a video with a little boy, and we are at 14th Street. Busy streets. Let's see. Make you guys. Sometimes when people ask me why I move so fast, it's because when you're when you come from a fast-paced place, you walk fast. But yeah, here is, I got DSW, Burlington, there is Forever 21, Whole Foods right there. You gonna cross? Where are you going?